Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anha narrates that after the revelation of the command regarding the veil hijab, once Hazrat Sauda, may Allah be pleased with her, went out for fulfilling her needs. Due to her tall stature and heavy build, people could easily recognize her. On the way, she met Hazrat Umar, may Allah be pleased with him. Seeing her, Hazrat Umar, may Allah be pleased with him, called out for a distance, O Sauda, by Allah, when you got out, you are not concealed from us, so take care to see in what condition you are coming out. Hazrat Sauda, may Allah be pleased with her, turned back and returned to the Prophet ﷺ's place. At that moment, Prophet Muhammad ﷺ was having his evening meal. Hazrat Sauda, may Allah be pleased with her, informed the Prophet ﷺ about what Hazrat Umar, may Allah be pleased with him, had said. At that very moment, a revelation began to descend upon the Prophet ﷺ. When the condition was over, the bone in the hand of the Prophet ﷺ was just like it was before. Prophet Muhammad ﷺ then said, "You are allowed to go out for your needs." Musnad Ahmad, Hadith number 23199.